Experiencing a burst pipe in your Santee home is a sudden and overwhelming emergency. Knowing exactly how to react in the first few minutes can mean the difference between a minor cleanup and catastrophic structural damage. The absolute first step is stopping the flow. Do not waste time looking for the specific leak. Run immediately to your home's main water shutoff valve and turn it completely off to stop the flooding at its source. Water and electricity are a deadly combination. If the flooding has reached your electrical outlets, appliances, or panel, safely shut off the main breaker before you attempt to step into any standing water. Even with the main water off, pressure and residual water remain in the lines. Open your cold water faucets and flush your toilets to safely drain the remaining water out of the system so it doesn't spill onto your floors. Once the environment is safe and the water is stopped, locate the actual burst. It might be an exposed pipe under a sink, behind a washing machine, or hidden inside a saturated drywall ceiling. Before you start moving things around, grab your phone and take clear photos and videos of the standing water, the burst pipe, and any ruined belongings. This documentation is critical for your future insurance claim. Act quickly to remove any undamaged electronics, important paper documents, and small heirloom furniture from the flooded area. Move them to a completely dry room or an elevated surface immediately. For heavy furniture that cannot be moved, wrap the wooden or metal legs in aluminum foil or plastic wrap. This prevents the legs from absorbing water and stops wood stain or rust from permanently dyeing your wet carpets. If the water is clean and you have the equipment, start removing the standing bulk water. Use heavy-duty wet vacuums, mops, and old towels to soak up as much surface water as possible to limit deep absorption. Stagnant water breeds mold quickly. If the weather is dry, open your windows and bring in floor fans to get the air moving across the wet surfaces, initiating the evaporation process while you wait for help. When a pipe bursts, fast extraction and professional drying are critical to saving your home. For emergency water mitigation and expert restoration services, trust the local professionals. Visit goldcoastflood.com.